as we all know, with the global outbreak of coronavirus, wearing mask has become a very controversial protection method. Some people think wearing mask is useful to protect themselves, and some people think the mask cannot be prevent against the virus. So I'm very interested in what's the material of the mask, and why do some people think this kind of material can block the virus. And the surgical mask and N95 mask are considered the most useful mask to coronavirus. So my study is mainly on these two kind of mask. And the answer is shown here. It's a kind of material called melt-blown nonwoven fabric. Firstly, I want to show you the structure of a surgical mask. Generally, it has 3 layers. The outer layer is for preventing droplets, and the inner layer is used for absorbing water. And the most important layer is the medium layer that is made of melt-blown nonwoven fabric. And next, I want to introduce the raw materials of it. It's called polypropylene. It is a polymer produced by the addition polymerization of propylene. We can see it in the first picture. It's a kind of colorless solid substance, and it has lots of good properties for producing mask, like it has low density, so its mass is very light, and it has high heat resistance, and its conductivity is very low. And the second picture is polypropylene fiber. It is made of polypropylene particles. We can see it's very shiny and soft. Compared with traditional fabric, it has better flexity and better wear resistance. So it's a good material to produce the mask. And next, I want to show you the production technology. The first part is melt nonwoven process. It can be divided into 6 steps, and let me show you how it works. Firstly, we can put the raw materials into the extruder, and the extruded melt will go into this part. There are lots of high-speed hot air, and this hot air can stretch the melt into very fine fiber, and then the fiber will drop on this collector, and it can form a network. At the same time, it can be cooled. The last step is this step. People can add force with a chemical or mechanical method to produce this kind of cloth. And next, after the last step, the fiber also needed to add electricity. The function of this step is let the fiber are charged, and then charged fiber can absorb the coronavirus on the surface of the mask, not the inside, going inside to the mask. And except for mask, the melt-blown nonwoven fabrics has lots of other applications, because the melt-blown nonwoven fabrics is easily formed airspace on the fiber surface, so it can reduce the heat loss. So it's a good material for keeping warmer. And another application is to absorb oil, and it is also widely used in the manufacture of battery film. The use of this kind of material can not only reduce the mass and the volume of the battery, it can reduce the cost of producing battery, because it's very cheap. Okay, that's all. And this is some reference of my topic. Okay, that's all.